Hola community, I was playing with this file. I was practicing some lighting in this scene. It's called the Attic by NVIDIA. It's so warm and cozy. There's even a teddy bear over here. You can play with this file if you want to. It's part of their USD samples library on the NVIDIA website. If you just Google for NVIDIA USD files, the first link should take you to this page. At the very bottom, you're gonna find there's also another file called Marvel Sample, the Attic, which is the one I was playing with, and even one from Pixar. It's a kitchen set. Importing USD files into Blender is nothing new. It's been around for a while. However, even though you could bring files into Blender, you couldn't get them out of Blender as USD until last week. Now the circle is complete. You can bring files in, USD files in and out, which is great for some pipelines and great for, wait for it,
interoperability.
Yes, I cannot say that word, but it's great for that, for Blender to play nice with other software. The project, the USD project, has been around for a while. It's been a team effort of the Blender studio, of NVIDIA mainly. Michael Kowalski, thank you for working on this, making the full circle possible. It's an ongoing project though, but already you can export files. And let's try. This file was a USD file, so this is nothing new. I was just playing with it. However, let's see how it works with older files. I have one from a open movie project that we worked some time ago that you can see is from 5 years ago, 2016. So let's see how it plays. It shouldn't be too difficult. This is a scene where the character gets plunked. There's some particles going on. There's two characters, so this is why I picked this scene in particular. But let's see how it works. If I go to File, Export, Universal Scene Description, you're gonna find some options over here. There is animation, which is the one I want. There is also user settings as the render or the viewport. In this case, I'm gonna use viewport for time's sake. If you use render, it's gonna make it heavier and also it's gonna take longer. And yeah, it's not what I want for a demo. You can also use instancing, which is experimental, but it's gonna make your file lighter and less heavy because it's gonna use instances instead of making every object real, which is what happens now. So okay, let's click on export. You can see how fast it goes. It's super fast and it should be done already. Let's see if it actually works as advertised. I'm gonna start a new file. I'm gonna remove these objects that I don't need. And let's go to File, Import, USD. Let's find the one I just exported over here, lighting. So there's a few settings that you can tweak over here. This is nothing new. The create collection, I like to do it, and subdivision while we're at it or not. Let's see. Import USD and voila, it's here. Well, the entire scene is here. So you can see more or less how the project was built. For this file, I did the lighting. So I remember that 5 years ago, I created this wall for like blocking the lights. There's also these blockers over here. So yeah, there was everything came with it. Also, the frame range is set, so I can actually just go through it and I can see the action happening here. So you can see the relationship lines. They are all coming from one object, so they're all parented to that one object, so you can move it more easily. But I'm gonna disable that for now. And let's see from the camera view how it plays. It's 24 FPS. Everything seems to have come properly. There's even the little particles. That's so cool. The objects, if you investigate a little bit, you're gonna find they have the mesh sequence cache modifier, just like any other import. So this is awesome. Great things ahead for Blender to fit in pipelines, in Studio Pipeline, for your own work, for anything. I hope you like it. Let us know what you think about this project and stay tuned. Bye.